On behalf of EVM MG, I welcome you all to this grand function.
Hi, myself Vivek. I am the CEO for Reccaa Charitable Society, and one of our vertical is Reccaa Club, which is located in Kakanad. And we have installed MG motor charging station at our club, which will be useful for our members. As such, the whole country is moving towards usage of electric vehicles. And I thank MG Motors for installing their charging station at our club, and hoping forward for a fruitful association in the future also.